Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can solve problems on LeetCode or how you can start your problem solving skill on LeetCode. So let's see and let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to search leetcode.com in your browser. So I have already account. So first of all, let's sign out this account. Okay, when you search leetcode.com you will see this interface. So for that, if you are new in the LeetCode, so then you have to first create your account. When you click on this create account, it will ask for your username, password, then you have to confirm your password and email address, and your account will be successfully created. If you have already account and you want to sign in, then you have to click on this sign in button and you have to provide your username or email and password. So in my case, I have already my account, so let's sign in. Okay, when you sign in you will see this. Here you can see your profile or your account. When you click on this, you will see here how much problem you solved and when you are active, in which month, all these things you can see here. So thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video.